Hey everyone, today we asked a vet with the frequently asked questions about your dog's health concerns. If this is the first time you're joining us, make sure to hit subscribe so you get notified every time we release a new video. This week, we've got a great episode covering all sorts of health-related concerns that you submitted. I think this is one you'll want to watch till the end. So let's jump right into it. Our first question comes from a subscriber who asks, what are the basic things I should do to keep my dog healthy? Great question. First, take them to the vet at least once a year for a checkup. It's good to have a baseline, and it's a chance to address any concerns. Follow your vet's vaccination recommendations. Core vaccines we recommend for all dogs include Bordetella, which is kennel cough, canine influenza, distemper, hepatitis, and parvovirus. Then there are non-core vaccines, which we may recommend based on lifestyle and location, such as rabies, Lyme disease, and even certain cancer-preventing vaccines. Vaccines have improved the lives of countless dogs and remain one of the best ways to prevent deadly diseases. Also, give your dog regular parasite prevention. This means protection against fleas, ticks, and heartworm. Heartworm disease is spread by mosquitoes, so prevention is especially important during warm months. We typically recommend year-round heartworm prevention. Make sure your dog eats a balanced diet for their age, size, and activity level. Avoid toxic foods, grapes, chocolate, onions, and xylitol. Xylitol, often found in sugar-free gum candy, and even some human yogurts and ice creams, can cause a sudden and dangerous drop in blood sugar. Keep these out of reach. We've also had a lot of questions about portion sizes. Overfeeding is common and leads to obesity, which is linked to arthritis, diabetes, and even some cancers. Measure portions, avoid free feeding, and check feeding guidelines on the food package. Better yet, ask your vet for specific recommendations. Another question we get often: how often should you brush your dog's teeth? The American Veterinary Dental College recommends brushing daily. If that's not possible, aim for at least a few times a week. Use dog-specific toothbrushes and toothpaste. Dental chews approved by the Veterinary Oral Health Council can also help reduce plaque and tartar. Remember, dental chews aren't a replacement for brushing. If you notice bad breath, bleeding gums, or trouble eating, your dog may need a dental exam. Next, what common health problems should you watch out for? Dogs are prone to skin issues like allergies, hot spots, and dry skin. Allergies can cause itching, ear infections, or digestive issues. Hot spots are inflamed. Itchy patches often caused by licking or chewing. Dry skin can lead to itching, dandruff, and even bleeding. Ear infections are another big one, often caused by allergies, hormonal changes, or mites. They can cause pain, itching, and discharge. Clean your dog's ears regularly and keep water out after swimming. Digestive problems, vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite can be caused by diet, stress, parasites, or illness. Older dogs are prone to joint problems like arthritis and hip dysplasia, both of which cause pain and mobility issues. When should you call your vet? If your dog has trouble breathing, collapses suddenly, passes bloody stool, or has a seizure, that's an emergency. Other red flags include lethargy, loss of appetite, vomiting, and diarrhea. While not always emergencies, they still warrant a call to your vet. If your dog just isn't acting like themselves, it's worth checking in. Besides vet visits, what can you do at home? Keep a dog first aid kit with gauze, antibiotic ointment, hydrogen peroxide, a cool compress, and a thermometer. During grooming, check for lumps, bumps, or skin issues. Look at your dog's eyes for discharge, redness, or cloudiness. Cloudy eyes can mean cataracts, which can be caused by genetics, aging, or illness. Early detection helps you monitor and support their vision. How much should a puppy weigh? It depends on breed, size, and health. Puppies grow in spurts, so weight gain will vary. To check if your dog is overweight, feel their ribs. You should feel them without pressing hard, but not see them clearly. A thick waist or rounded belly may mean extra weight. How many calories should a 65-pound adult dog get? It depends on age, activity, and metabolism, but on average, 1,000 to 2,000 calories per day. Ask your vet for an exact amount for your dog. If your dog is on a raw diet, make sure it's balanced with enough protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Consult your vet if your dog has special dietary needs. Is it okay to give my dog baby aspirin for pain? No, never give human medication unless directed by your vet. Can apple cider vinegar help with yeast infections? It's safe in small amounts, but not a replacement for vet care. You can add 1 tablespoon to drinking water to help prevent infections. Where can I buy a puppy after 8 weeks old? Look for reputable breeders or adopt from rescues. Most won't release puppies before 8 weeks for health reasons. The top 3 things to keep your dog healthy: annual vet visits, a balanced diet, and regular dental care. It's easier and cheaper to prevent problems than treat them later. Thanks for watching and sending in your questions. Share this video with your friends and keep those questions coming. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.